Let's start with heat pumps. They use electricity as their energy source. They're versatile. You only need one system for heating and cooling. They're also incredibly efficient in most temperatures. You can often save additional money with federal and state incentives to reduce air pollution. They keep humidity more stable. If you struggle with dry air issues, a heat pump might be the good option for you. As for cons, heat pumps are best in areas where winters are mild. Think southern and coastal states. In cold temperatures, you may have to use alternate means of heating. The air produced isn't as warm as a gas furnace. Speaking of gas furnaces, their energy source is natural gas or propane. They keep up with much harsher, colder conditions. They generally cost less upfront than heat pumps as long as you have gas hookup in your neighborhood. They last a bit longer than heat pumps because they don't run all seasons. But remember, you'll have to have a separate air conditioning unit to go with your gas furnace. That's a good transition for cons for the gas furnace. They only provide heat, so you'll need a separate cooling system for your home in the warmer months. They cost more to operate. They're not as environmental friendly as electric heat pumps. They produce carbon monoxide. You'll need a carbon monoxide detector, and they tend to dry out the air. If you have any questions or need additional expertise, give us a call at Goettl or visit our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more homeowner tips.